Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create LinkedIn account for business purpose. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm currently on LinkedIn. So you can see in here the option for business. So click on that and it will expand in here. So what you can do is you can scroll down and in here you can see this create a company page. And then head over and click on that create a company page and then this will load. Now you should be able to see this. So just choose which one is applicable to you. So for me, I'll choose in here company. And then you just need to name your company or organization. Then put in here the unique LinkedIn address of your company. So for example, for this, let's put in here Tiara Shop. And then as you can see, it will automatically be able to reflect in here. And just put in here your website. So for example, let's put in here tiara.shop. This is just a dummy website. And you can choose in here your industry. So for example, I'll just put in here fashion. Click on this right here and put in here your organization size. I'll just put 11 to 50 employees. And you can put in here an organization type. It can be self-employed, public company, or partnership, or anything that you want for this. I'll choose the sole proprietorship. And then you can input in here your logo. So I'll head over and input in here my logo in here. Now here's my logo. Click on open and then as you can see it will upload and this will look like this. You can also put in here your tagline and just click on this right here when you're done. Now click on this create page and then in here after you have created your page you should be able to see it and just use it wherever you please. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below. If you have any questions, comment them down below as well and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.